Hello.
We come down to the water to maybe have a look.
Yeah.
It looks choppier because the boats have gone past.
Boats has gone past,
very
but
still.
it's really nice.
It's not supposed to be nice all day, so we thought we'd come for an hour.
Yeah. And you can see just there, that's fuego going off. Yeah, I'm going to put up my drone.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to DNA Travel. Alex and I are thrilled to bring you along on this new season as we explore the incredible country that is Guatemala. So come along with us, subscribe, and let's explore this beautiful country together.
Morning. So, we've just been chilling out this morning, went for a dip as we've, I think I showed you. Well, and then I flew the drone as well. Yeah, then we've just been reading, chilling out. Now we're going to go to Cafe Sabor. It's like an NGO run coffee place. It's about a 20-minute walk up the hill. So yeah, should be good. It's a mixed day because it's sunny now. It's like really nice now, but it's expected to storm later. So trying to make the most of going out now, and then we can just settle in later if it does get wet. Yeah, come along. It is very steep.
Yeah. Up to the main town.
Yeah, we'll get there. Getting there. Some really nice views along the way. And you can see how much work they're doing. And we've got the lake behind us. But it's very warm. Sea cap. So that's like a Jamaica lemon and what was it?
Soda.
Soda. And that's cold coffee. Yeah, not a bad view to enjoy it. And we got some plantains with mole coming. Got plantains with chocolate mole. I got still good. So I just went to go put on my trousers, and this thing was in it, and stung me in the finger. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, put it on.
Well, I caught it. What a bastard.
think we're gonna get wet in a minute. It's getting very dark over there. Moody.
So, came and enjoyed a beer, which
Nice.
is,
It's nice and bright here. It's just getting very dark over there.
and then we've had
Very
the view.
dramatic.
Very, very dramatic. Not done too much this afternoon. Just been chilling out.
Sorting itinerary stuff.
I think I said, but I got stung by a scorpion on my thumb, so that was fun. Yeah, we're probably not going to do too much tonight. We need to cook dinner, and then just watch the world go by. Hello. So, very nice morning.
Really cleared it out.
Really, really nice. We are moving on today.
Yeah, we're going to Pana today.
Yeah, which is just over there. So we're still on the lake for one more day / night.
Yeah. Gonna go to the nature reserve and get some food, and that's about it.
Sounds
Maybe
good.
see sunset if there's sunset, but it looks like it's gonna rain again. So
Yeah,
probably not.
yeah. Each evening is kind of really.
Comes over for like full rainy season.
Yeah, last night got quite a lot, but all good. Sounds good. We're just having breakfast, and then we're gonna eventually go once we need to check out. Hey, so we're leaving this place, which has really been pretty nice. The weather has been pretty good, to be fair. We've had a few like massive blasts of rain, but can't complain. Now we're gonna go get the boat to Pana to try and go there. We're then gonna dump bags and then just gonna dump bags and go to the nature park. So that should be fun. So yeah, walking that way to go get the boat, and then we will head that way. What a nice day though.
Yeah, lovely.
So, come to the nature reserve, see what we can see. We may get wet. We ended up getting a tuk-tuk here because we were walking up the hill. Tuk-tuk stopped when it's 5. So we were like, okay. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's go see what we can see. So yeah, it was 80 each to get in. So we'll see if it was worth it for us, but we have nothing else really planned to do today except find some food.
Is that
Got some babies too. Very cute little creatures. Well, that was cool. That was fun. Alex saw some when we were in Mexico in Playa del Carmen, but I was diving, so I didn't see them that time. So it's nice to actually see some. It's a pretty bumpy bridge. Whoopa! But still, always like a swinging bridge. We got another bridge to go over. So this one's longer, and it also has a bit more of a view of the waterfall. So we will try and show you that, although actually not really. You can sort of see it. Bridge number 3.
That's brave.
Head up. Finally, bridge number 4. Wait for you.
No, get it. Sure. We can wait if you want.
Yeah, I don't know how much more we're going to do today. Oh, it's warm. We're going to go back, and there's a Thai place we might try for lunch, and then potentially an Indian place for dinner. The only other thing Alex had on a list to do here was watch the sunset, which, given the storms are brewing, there may not be one. So we shall see for that front. But yeah, it's been a nice place, and this walk's been nice. But muggy, very muggy. You get little glimpses of the lake. But we continue upwards. It's a short hike, but it's a bit of an actual hike, which is nice. So, this way says visit center. And it feels like it's the right direction.
Oh yeah, that's more, it says more
Zip-
cables for zip lining.
Yeah. Yeah, you can do zip lining here, but probably going to try and do that in
We're
Costa
doing
Rica.
that in Costa Rica.
Hello. Coming to the butterfly garden, and yeah, fair enough. Quite a few butterflies. Alex is the butterfly queen. We had lunch, it was really good. Thai food, now we chilled for a bit, now we're gonna get coffee. Hello.
Hello.
So, we are, excuse me, we're just chilling out. We went and got some money out because we need some cash. It's been very rainy, so yeah, probably not going to do too much else tonight. We need to go get dinner at some point. We don't know what we're going to get yet because the Indian place we kind of wanted to go isn't open today. Bless you. So we're debating. There's a Greek place, there's a Uruguayan place, so may get all the barbecued meats. Yeah, haven't decided yet. But yeah, that's pretty much our end of our time at Lake Atitlán, because we leave tomorrow we're being picked up at 5 a.m. to go to the Guatemalan airport so we can fly to Flores. Finally going to Flores.
And it's still got excessive heat warnings on it.
Yeah. Whoop whoop. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
We are at a Uruguayan restaurant and we ordered a platter. We ordered a platter for 2 to try stuff, but it is enough food for like 6 people.
Speak for yourself.
Is it tasty? It's fun in here.